Hello everyone, I am Nikhil Sehgal, a student at Chitkara University. My student ID is 2510999069. In this video, I am blinking an LED using push button with Arduino. This is a beginner friendly project. The components I used are Arduino board, LEDs, push buttons, jumper wires, and resistors. So in the circuit, the LED is connected to pin number 9 and 10, and the push button are connected to pin number 2 and 3. When we press the button, the signal goes high and LED turns on. This is my code. When we press the button, the light blinks, as we can see. Thank you.